Beyond staff, are your shelves prepared to keep up with demand? Because let me tell you, nothing will crush a customer's holiday mood faster than walking into your store and seeing an empty shelf where their dream gift should be. But on the flip side, nobody wants to be stuck with piles of unsold product in January. So how do you strike the perfect balance? Well, it's not luck. The answer lies in data, reporting, and forecasting. But here's the good news. With Lightspeed's built-in reporting and forecasting tool, you'll leave the guesswork behind. You can anticipate exactly what you'll need, when you'll need it, and how much to order. Let me show you how. First things first, before you start making plans for this holiday season, take a step back and look at your past performance. What sold well last year? Were there any products that flew off the shelves faster than you expected? And on the other side, were there any items that barely moved? Instead of digging through clunky spreadsheets or using apps that don't talk to your POS, make use of Lightspeed's built-in reporting tools. They're already part of your POS, so you can pull actionable insights right from your back office. Here's what the free basic reporting feature can do for you. You can view sales history for individual products or categories. You can analyze your best performing promotions. You can track average sales values to see what's driving your revenue. And this gives you a clear, high-level picture of what worked and what didn't. A great place to start your planning. But if you're nodding your head thinking, I need a clearer picture of my performance and sharper sales insights to forecast and plan effectively, then I've got good news. Lightspeed Insights helps you take reporting and inventory planning a step further. By using Lightspeed Insights, a collection of advanced reporting and forecasting tools, you can easily track and compare sales progress, forecast for future periods, and make inventory decisions based on real data. You can access a library of already made sales and inventory reports that are ready to use without any setup, so no more crunching numbers yourself. And these include dusty inventory reports, which help identify products that aren't moving and that you can heavily discount or even bundle. Sell-through reports pinpoint your fastest selling items so you don't miss an opportunity to restock. Out-of-stock reports highlight where sales might be slipping because items aren't available when customers want them. Inventory replenishment reports, and before we go on to this, I have to say this is my personal favorite. It provides a clear view of your current product inventory and sales data, then provides actionable demand forecasts and gives you smart recommendations on reordering. Have you used any of these? Drop your favorite in the chat because I'd love to know what works for you, and you already know mine, so it's only fair. We know all businesses have unique needs. Maybe you want to drill down on sell-through rate for specific seasonal collections. With Insights, you can build a custom report that gives you exactly the data that you need, save it, and schedule it to hit your stakeholders' inboxes automatically. You heard right. Instead of spending hours preparing weekly emails, the report lands directly in their inboxes without lifting a finger. This keeps your team and stakeholders on the same page without anyone having to dig through all of the reports. And for those of you who prefer visual data, you can convert numbers into easy-to-read charts so you can visualize your business performance, compare sales over time, and spot trends at a glance. Now that you've analyzed your data, it's time to look forward and answer an essential question. How much inventory should you actually stock? Well, let me tell you this. This is what you need to get right, because studies show that 41% of customers try new brands when their favorite product becomes unavailable. So why guess? Let your POS do the heavy lifting with Insights' built-in forecasting feature. By looking back over 2 years of your sales history, taking past sale trends, including seasonal spikes and out of stocks into account, Insights accurately predicts your inventory needs. It generates reliable forecasts and provides data-driven suggestion order quantities straight from your replenishment report, so you can order the right amount of inventory and plan for peak seasons with total confidence. The algorithm automatically detects if a product's demand is affected by time of year and adjusts the forecasting calculation methods accordingly. Seasonal products are forecasted using last year's sales data for the same period, while others rely on recent sales trends. And that way, you have happy customers who get what they want, and no more drowning in leftover stock in January. And better yet, once you know what to restock, creating purchase orders is fast and pain-free, straight from your inventory replenishment report. No jumping between tools, no manual data entry. With Insights, you can effortlessly avoid stockouts by accessing reliable order quantity recommendations, replenish your stock accordingly, and create purchase orders directly from your reports, making the entire replenishment process faster and more accurate. This all makes up for a stress-free, successful holiday season, and that's what we want for you.